So, eto, yung resibo niya guys, na 3,950 plus meron siyang 80 NT na na pamasahe kasi sini-OD ko na siya guys. Pinakas on delivery ko siya. Ayan, may mga ganitong proof, mga resibo. Ayan. So, ayan. So, 7,000 lang siya guys. 7,000 talaga. Ayan, 7,000 pesos.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Ano lang po guys, medyo pantambay ko lang po siya. Kasi, 60
I don't ever
watts.
slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
So, eto, yung
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
So, 7,000 lang siya guys. 7,000.
I'll always show up.
7,000 pesos. So, ito yung libre na. Yun yung earphone niya. And then, libre din tong ano niya, casing niya guys. So, libre siya guys, lahat. So, ang ganda niya, diba? Sa halagang 7K lang. And then, sport, ngayon. So, ayan na nga guys, na-charge natin, fully charged out. So, ayan na nga guys, nakagawa tayo ng 3 lang na alagad muna kasi naghahanap na siya ng number. So, ang ginawa ko, main account ko here is itong what's this? Ito, yung pinaka-main ko dito. So, siguro gagawin ko itong main account dito. Palakihin ko to. And the receipt para sa ano guys, dun sa 7-Eleven, pinanununan ko ng 200 NTEs. I don't know where did I put. So, at least, nanalo ko yun. Tapos, meron akong discount. So, yung pinabayad ko kanina dito sa 7-Eleven, yun pinabayad ko is 200. So, naging 6,700 na lang yung, ito. Ito yung, So, yan na guys. Okay na siya for YouTube. Ready na siya. So, tambayan natin to. Agnes. Di Romancos. Tambay ko muna. Ano siya, Very good. So, nakalimutan ko pala guys na libre din yung template class niya. Ayan, nilagay nila. Tsaka in-English na kasi nila to dati. So, may template class ito. Ayan. Which is, ginagamit ko na nga siya. Ayan, may tempered glass na to guys. May sariling casing na, jelly case. Ayan, yung libo natin. Ayan. May sariling jelly case. May tempered glass. At saka earphone na po. Yung earphone at saka charger po. Yung mga free niya. So, if I'm not mistaken, bumili ka din kasi kami ng asawa ko ng libo niya dun sa Pilipinas. Wala pong tempered glass ang kanyang 256 GB na Vivo na binili namin. So, yan na nga. Dito guys, libre po ang earphone, tempered glass. Which is may previous naman siya dati dun sa binili naming Vivo ng asawa ko noon. Pero hindi siya magpi-free tempered glass sa Pilipinas. So dito, magpi-free mo siya guys. Free, pati earphone. Yan, ang mga free niya. Doon sa Pilipinas parang wala naman yung earphone niya. Libre sa Vivo. So yan nga. Yung Vivo Y60 for only 6,000